Hi, and welcome back to A&D Profiles. Today, we'd like to talk to you about window returns. So usually you will clad this whole thing with drywall and take the rod and cut it out, and then you have your trim on the inside of the window and on the outside of the window. If you don't want to do that and do some cost savings, and you just want to do a drywall return with our L shapes, we can do that for you. We can measure, or you can give us the measurement of the window. We can cut that for you for each window. Each window will then be marked. So on site, when you come to site, it's very easy to install. So it's just an L shape. It's already pre-cut for that specific window. Screw that into that one, and then the bottom one goes into the same way. And then the other one, left hand side one. So the only thing you need to do is then caulking the corners, and then just continue your drywall horizontal or vertical. It doesn't matter what on the left and right hand side. You only have like vertical or horizontal lines. You don't need to do any mud around this area. So if that is something you're interested in, just give me a call at 770-910-6033 here in Woodstock, Georgia. I'd love to come and see you, and have a nice day. Thank you.